it going today? Welcome back to our channel. We are all excited here and I have a table full of goodies because Little Miss Muffet, Myrick, and I are headed away on our summer family vacation. We are headed up to Bighorn Meadows and I'll put a link in the description below to a video that I did. It's a vacation property that we're going up to that we purchased a little while ago, and we are going to go up there for a full week, and we cannot wait to sit in the sun, go to the pool, hit the hot tubs, go golfing, all the good stuff that you do while going away on vacation. If you've been a long-time subscriber, you would know that the past few summers we've rented an RV and we've gone glamping with our cousins and had the best time. But this year we're trying out something a little bit different. That doesn't mean we don't have to pack as much. Just a couple different things that we're packing that I wanted to share with you. Let's get started and get into the video. But before we do that, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Angela.
My name is Ava, visit AVA.
And I like to do videos on all things about motherhood, family, and lifestyle. So I would love it if you click that subscribe button down below. I will be vlogging every day while we're out there, so make sure you stay tuned and follow along for more. This video, I'm going to be giving you some packing tips. I'm going to show you some packing essentials and some hacks that I've recently discovered to kind of help streamline what we are packing. So the first thing is our medicine kit. So I'm using this, actually I think it was like a lunch bag, but everything is stored in here that Myrick, Ava, and I hopefully won't use, but if we do, then we're all prepared. So I have everything from emergency Band-Aids, we have our vitamins, we have polysporin, we have Cortite cream. Yeah, we are all ready to go, but this is the hack. So I know a lot of people are using like what is it called? Afterbite?
Afterbite, yeah.
Yeah, I know a lot of people are using Afterbite, which is great. However, I had to take Ava to the emergency room when she was like a little baby. She got a bug bite and it was really bad and it kind of spread into a rash. And the emergency room nurse told me about this. This is the Aveeno Anti-Itch Lotion. Soothing itch relief for poison ivy, oak, sumac, insect bites, allergic itches, and chickenpox rash. I'm telling you, this stuff is the best. It doesn't smell, it doesn't sting, it takes the redness and the itch out of any bug bite, any rash, even like chafing. This stuff is gold. So if anything, all you need is this. I'm telling you, this stuff, run out, get it now. Okay, now, I'm sure moms and dads, we're all alike that you can't live without wipes. So we have had this OXO wipe container for ages, and we're just gonna take it with us. We can't live without wipes. We use them for meals, we use them for spills, we use them for cleanups, anything. Look at this little container. Boop, and it pops up and it keeps like 2 packs of wipes in here. So we're gonna bring this along with us. Sometimes it's better than paper towels. Then along with that, all the hand sanitizers, going to playgrounds, going to splash parks, mini golf, driving range, campgrounds. We're gonna go visit our cousin at a campground. You need the hand sanitizer. Okay. Now, I talked about this in a packing video I did last year, and I'll put all the playlists down for you, but this is the best idea ever. So I bought this last year for RV, and I'm gonna bring it again with us. This is a shower caddy. Now, right now with back to school, you can find shower caddies anywhere. I got this one from the dollar store, and it's pliable, which is awesome. But for toiletries, this is all you really need. And that way, I can bring bigger containers because both Myrick, Ava, and I will be washing our hair multiple times a day. Obviously going in the pools and hot tubs and lakes.
Washing my hair.
You don't have hair. So I have like a full-size body wash. Just being sweaty in general, I know that we're gonna take showers probably a couple times a day. So shower caddy is a must. For extra toiletries, I found this great little kit at Shoppers Drug Mart. What I love about it is that it's really, I already have things inside, but it's already really roomy inside. But the best part is that there's a makeup kit attached to it. So on this side, There's pockets, you can put all your brushes, your makeup. There's some mesh here so that if you put your brushes in there, it can air dry. It came with containers for like soap and shampoo, conditioner, and a toothbrush. But this little kit is awesome. So really for like toiletries for mom and lotions and potions and everything that I need. This is really all I need. Okay, next up, packing cubes. Now, I have heard people use packing cubes forever, and I really didn't understand what like all the fuss and the muss was about, so I finally caved and I bought some packing cubes. Ava's are pink and mine are turquoise. I've already packed Ava's clothes actually. I didn't get expensive ones. I just kind of got like cheapy ones off of Amazon, which I kind of regret because I don't think these are gonna last us very long. But I just wanted to see if they're actually worth it. So I have in here like all of my undergarments and then all of my jammies for one. So I guess the whole point is that you know where everything is and you're nice and organized and you don't have to be like sorting through your suitcase. I saw one person actually where I got inspired by this, the Family Fudge. She puts like key rings and like little key tags on the zippers to say what it is or like what day outfits she has in each cube, which is pretty smart. But Ava's are pink, mine are blue, and then Mirek, he can fend for himself. So these are all of like my swimsuits and my beach cover-ups.
Love you.
And then these are all of my regular clothes. So everything is really organized and I'll be ready to go once we get to the condo. So I'll let you know if they're worth it. If it's worth the hype, or is it better just to put stuff in a suitcase like a normal person. Anyways, all right, backpack. So I love bags. However, I've had the same backpack, like kind of like a mom bag, that I've used probably since 2015, and the strap just broke on it actually when we went to Heritage Park. So I needed a new one, and I like this one. It's leather and we have straps, but also it can like turn into like a shoulder and a crossbody bag. Lots of big compartments here. And then the inside part is big enough for my camera, my purse, my wallet, water bottles, anything else. Now, tip for you is where we're going in BC, obviously, we want to visit some farmers markets. There's nothing better than like farmers markets and fruit and like go shopping for a dinner there. So I have these little reusable bags. My cousin got me this one for my birthday a while ago. It's so cute. It's this little rainbow. Then there's the reusable bag inside. So I pop those inside so that we have reusable bags and we want to go to the farmers market and pick up some treats. Whoop! Now, where we're going in BC, there's bike trails, so we're all gonna bring our bikes. I don't know how far we're actually gonna go. Now, I was tempted to get like a fanny pack, or like, what do they call them? Like a crossbody bag, or a belt bag. I think that's what they call them nowadays, a belt bag. Anybody who grew up in the 80s and 90s, we all know that they're fanny packs, but I just didn't wanna like invest in a really expensive belt bag because I don't know how much I'll use it. However, I found this little bag. Kind of reminds me of like an old school cell phone bag. It's small enough that when we're going biking, it's not gonna get in the way. I can pop my cell phone in here. I can pop a lip balm, our key card, throw it over my shoulder, and away we go. It's not gonna be cumbersome. And I think I got this for like 18 bucks. All right, moving on, more bags. So Ava and I, hers is pink, mine is black, have matching duffel bags. Now these duffel bags are gonna hold like our toiletries, some shoes, and then kind of like stuff to entertain us. I am so excited. I finally got myself a book. Like I'm old fashioned. There's nothing better than the smell of a new book. I like holding a book. So I've heard good things about this. This is The Summer Place by Jennifer Weiner. So I'm excited to give this a read because I think I might be able to like have some downtime. I'm so excited for this vacation, I can't tell you. And then I also picked up some magazines. I can't wait, I love magazines. So I got The Pioneer Woman just because I love her recipes. And then I am craving a little bit of an update for my house. Mirek and I keep talking about renovations. So I got a couple ones like organization and style and farmhouse style. So we'll see if I actually get a chance to read those.
Renovations?
But this duffel bag will definitely come in handy. I actually picked this up on Amazon and I think it was $28 and I priced it out. Like at Walmart, at Winners, you can't get good duffel bags that are this big, this much room. There's so many different pockets in here. There's like inserts inside. Yeah, 28 bucks, I thought that was really good. So I'll put the link in the description down below. Okay, moving on. I got this for free from Indigo ages ago, and it is like a picnic blanket, a beach blanket. So when we go to the lake, I have this kind of indestructible beach blanket, which I know will come in very, very handy. Speaking of beach bags, I went to Walmart and I found this beach bag and I got it on sale for $7.99. It's great because it's mesh, it's black, nothing fancy about it. But I've already put in all of our sunscreen. It came with like this nice little black insert here. So we have all of our sunscreens and our after sun products in here. Also, I brought some Aquaphor because of chapped lips and I also get chapped eyes a lot. So bought that. And then I also heard that the mosquitoes are bad. So we have our bug spray. And then I found these at the dollar store. I don't know if they're any good at all. They're like citronella bracelets. So I'm gonna give those a try. And then Mirac's pack, it's called like a thermocell. Did I pack it? Where is it? Oh, it's right here. It's called a thermocell, and you pop like a butane, and then there's like a little citronella insert that you put in there. I thought that if we put that on our deck at night, maybe it'll help to keep some of the bugs away. Okay, moving on. I like to be really organized when we go camping. We're not going camping. I like to be really organized when we go on vacation. So I have this big tote with us. Now in this tote is everything from extra Ziploc bags, extra sandwich bags, extra garbage bags, extra dishwash. I brought, oh, can I get it out? Oh, we got color changing cups from Walmart. I love these. I don't know why, but I drink more water in these. But I bought, let me get it out. Oh, I don't think I can. Let me see if I turn it like this. I can't get it out. There we go. I got a Brita water pitcher. Instead of bringing like small bottles of water, I thought this is smarter, more economical, better for the environment. So we brought that. I got some extra paper towels, some paper plates and napkins just in case, Kleenex, and then a tablecloth just for any messes. Let's put stuff back because I had it all organized. And then in here, I also have napkins. I have extra dishwash tabs, a Tide stick, Tide pods, and then some plastic cutlery and napkins, especially if we're at the pool and I want to bring us lunch or we go to the beach. I thought that was pretty handy dandy. Okay. This is Mirac's Saving Grace. I found this at the dollar store. I got this last year. So it is a fan with so there's a fan on the back, but you can fill water. So it's a spray bottle and a mister when he gets super hot, which he will. It's supposed to be like 34 degrees over there. So I can't wait. I love the heat. Okay.
Me too.
Speaking of tablecloths, so my cousin got this for me because I always buy these from the dollar store. This one's pretty fancy though. So this is a giant coloring poster, but what we do is we actually lay this on our kitchen table. And so I thought it'd be fun to bring it camping. So it's a giant coloring poster. It's almost like a tablecloth. And then that way, when all of us want something to do, when it's kind of too hot to sit outside, we want to do something, an activity all of us can do together. We can all sit around the table. I brought some felt and we can color to our heart's content. This is always a hit. Okay, now this is Ava's duffel bag. So for Ava's duffel bag, she has games because she loves playing games right now. So The one game that I wanted to show you guys though is Jenga Maker. We just bought this and she loves it. So it gives you, you have to make like little shapes and the other person has to describe what the shape is. It is so much fun and she actually is doing really good at it. So I highly recommend this game. We have Guess Who. Then this is fun. I found this at Michael's. It's a create your own travel kit and it's like a little travel passport. So I thought that she could color it up in the car on the way up there. And then as we do different activities, I could like give her a stamp of things that she's accomplished. So I thought that that was lots of fun. She has books to read. And what else does she have in here? Oh, and then Mommy and Daddy brought cards. Yeah, so Ava is well prepared. One of the last things I wanted to show you are these. So I found these at Walmart, and these are collapsible crates. So I put some of our dry goods in here, and what I thought is great about it is that as we eat the dry goods, I can just collapse the crate down, and then it's not gonna take up room in the back of the truck or the back of the car. So I thought that these were a great investment. These are $14.98 from Walmart. I bought 3 and I actually don't know why I bought 3. I wish I would have bought 1 more because I think we're gonna get really great use out of these. The last thing I wanted to show you is this car ride activity box. So my Nana used to do this for me when I was little and we would go on long car like road trips together. Every hour she would give me like a little prize or a little gift which would give me an activity to do kind of for the next hour, and I'm gonna do the same thing for Ava. Now half of this stuff is for the way up there. Some stuff is for while we're there, like little surprises, and then some things are for the way home. Don't forget, you still gotta go home. Sometimes your little ones are sad and they just don't want their vacation to end. All right, so in this bag, I have everything from My Little Pony, a little coloring kit, to this PJ Masks Easy Go activity kit. I found all of this, like I've been picking up for a while between like the dollar store or Walmart or Winners, even the grocery store. A little mess-free My Little Pony. I love anything that's mess-free, especially for the car. We have a little fun unicorn sticker book here. We have a People and Animals Crayola Funny Face sticker kit, so she can take the faces and make her own little characters, which I know she'll have fun with. Again, a My Little Pony painting kit. So this is probably gonna be for when we get up there. A mermaid activity book. Then I let her pick out one toy when we were at Walmart. So she picked out this Disney Princess Fashion Surprise. So she'll be excited to open this, so I'll make her wait until we open it. And the last thing that I found, now this is definitely not for the car. This is actually from when we're up there. I just found these at London Drugs. It's Disney Glittering Sand Art Set. So I got her and her cousin this Snow White one for them to do. They each have one to do. And then when we're up there, Ava picked out this frozen one that she can do herself. So I think that that would be lots of fun. So there is no need for Ava to ever say, Mom, I'm bored, or Mommy, I have nothing